In the long river of time, old movies are like a ship carrying memories, slowly sailing through the waves of time. However, time is merciless. Their images become blurry, their colors fade, and their sounds become noisy. These once classics seem to be gradually forgotten. But now with UniFab's Upscaler AI function, all this will change. It is like a time restorer, using advanced AI technology to give old movies new life. UniFab's Upscaler AI function uses deep learning algorithms to intelligently analyze each frame, remove noise, enhance image quality, and make old movies shine again. It is not just a restoration, but a rebirth. Every frame seems to be redrawn. Those once blurred faces become clear, and those once blurred scenes become vivid. UniFab's Upscaler AI makes classics reappear, and memories last forever.